everybody. I'm going to talk to you about rabbit keeping. I'm sorry, I didn't really mean that. I'm an awfully nice chap, really. In the canyons of your mind, I will wander through your brain to the ventricles of your heart, my dear. I'm in love with you again. Across the mountains of your chest, I will stick a Union Jack through the forest of your cheek, to the holes in your string band. My darling, in my cardboard-colored dreams, once again I hear your laugh. And I kiss, yes, I kiss your perfumed hair. But she's not there. Sweet essence of giraffe. And although you're so far away, the tears go coursing down my leg. Because, David, in the corner of your beard, what? I can see a piece of egg. Oh, yeah. No! I'm terribly sorry, Viv.
Come on, Johnny.
I'm trying to express myself.
Do you mean it?
I mean it.
Yeah, he means it. Yeah.
Ha ha ha!